Okay guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we just completed a job in Lagos, and I want to use the opportunity to talk about batteries, solar batteries. So we have different types of batteries that we use in solar, but the general name that you can use to identify any battery that you use in solar is called deep cycle battery. Some people have asked me a lot of questions in the past saying, what is the difference between car battery and solar battery? Because somehow they look alike, but they are not the same thing. The batteries you use in your car is called starter battery, while the battery you use in solar is called deep cycle battery. Why are they called deep cycle batteries? They are called deep cycle batteries because they can be discharged. They can dissipate some amount of current over time. That's why they're called deep cycle. Deep cycle aspect. They have cycles. Cycles of batteries means how many times you charge the battery and discharge it. So there are different types of deep cycle batteries that we use in solar. We have the AGM, or the one you call dry cell, or the one you call gel batteries. Okay, we have the one you call tubular batteries. Some call it wet cell, some call it flooded battery. Both the gel battery and the tubular battery are together called lead acid batteries. Because of what? Lead, what they have inside is lead acid. So the only difference between the two of them is one has its lead acid in molten form, that's thick form, while the other one, which is tubular, has its lead acid in a liquid form. However, as technology continues to advance, we've been able to invent a new form of battery, or technology has been able to invent a new form of battery, and they call lithium battery. Now, in another video, I'm going to dive in deeper into these different types of battery. I mean, explaining how they work, the advantage a particular one has against the other or has over the other. But for today, I just wanted to talk a little bit about lithium battery and show you the lithium battery, which is right here behind me. The lithium battery is one of the best, or the best type of battery that technology has invented so far when it comes to solar energy systems. The reason why lithium battery is described as the best is because it has high energy density, and it also has high discharge. It simply means that you can discharge lead acid battery, and yet it will retain its stability, it will retain its capacity. You can discharge a lead acid battery to even a deeper level, up to even 0%. The batteries that you have in your phone and laptop are lithium batteries. The batteries you have in your phone and laptop, they are lithium batteries, and that's why your phone and laptop can be drained and then you charge them back again, and it doesn't affect it. So for the sake of this particular video, I just want to talk a little bit about this battery. So the battery we have right behind me is a lithium battery. It's a 25 kilowatt hour lithium battery. 25 kilowatt hour lithium battery, 48 volts. So what it means is that this battery can store up to 25 units of electricity inside of it. So in a layman's language, 25 kilowatt hour is units of energy. Kilowatt hour is unit of energy, and that's what you call units. So you can imagine when you subscribe the electricity unit, this battery can store 25 units inside. So when it's fully charged, it can store that. So right here, the battery is charged about 67%. It's like I mentioned, it's a 48 volt battery, and it's currently, we have two of them here, and they're currently powering this apartment that we installed this solar. So in the next video, we're going to be diving deeper, or on subsequent video, let me not say the next video, I promise you we cannot deliver immediately. But in subsequent video, we're going to dive in deeper into the details of a lead acid battery, a lithium battery, and how they work, and the advantage lithium battery has over the lead acid type. So for now, we're going to end it here. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.